Hhayi, akumhambeli kahle guys, ushabe shit. Hello guys, sanibonani and welcome back to my channel. 15 December, shabe shit bekase-court ayo-aplayela leya bail yakhe. Hawu guys, uthi makafika lapha e-court lasho ukuthi alimboni nje yadeserve ukuthi angathola i-bail, but asilona litophinza limbide for i-final judgment ngeti-17 la ukuthi ucaca khona ukuthi uyaphuma ngale bail or akaphumi. Then yasho seyifakaza i-lawyer yakhe ithi yona they are willing ukubhadala noma 50k for leya bail nedi ukuthi abe ngaphandle, wafaka nema-reason ukuthi akasiyo i-flight risk, into njani njani. So guys, the way bayiphusha ngakhona this thing ye-bail ibenza babonakala kwangathi seba-desperate kakhulu, and lokho kwenta ukuthi nale bail kwasayona angasaniki because if 17 uyahluleka ukuthola leya bail, hawa guys, kuphelile utawuhlala phakathi till next year. So let's hope mithandazo yakhe itomsita aphume lapha, mara nje into etendakalako for yena lilayitha likho ngasesayidini lakhe this time around. Asithembe ukuthi, and lenye into lebenta ukuthi baphusha kangaka is because lo muntu lo unemagigi outside, ubhokhiwe imali yaloloma and komele ayi-refund back. Uyirifanda njani imali ube le mali awuyendi ndzawo just for uhlale u-stress. So let's hope kuyamhambela kahle ngalo mhla ka-17 akhone kuphuma abuye atoqhubeka nemsebenzi wakhe bese leya trial or kwenteka kona lokho ubuyela phakathi ngelokuthi cause nyalo wonke umuntu uyasho ukuthi naye u-innocent until proven guilty. Some they are saying no, this guy u-guilty, sekumele approve ukuthi u-innocent, yabo ukuthi yonke indzawo siyade ukuthi kuhlezi kudivayidekile, hlezi nalaba akhuluma so nalaba akhuluma so, but as for yena into atimhambeli kahle, atibukeki tinhle nje for yena. Guys, that's all. Please like, comment and subscribe. Don't ku video elandelayo. Bye.